Guys, good day. So here I am going to show you a variable 1.25 volts to 22 point something volts. So here I am using the negative 12 volts of an ATX power supply and a positive 12 volts of a power supply. So here I am using this circuit, a variable resistor. So this is the circuit. The variable resistor is used to adjust the output voltage. So as you can see, I am now adjusting the output voltage of this circuit. So if you have the extra PC power supply, you can use it with the additional the circuit in order to produce a variable 1.25 volts to 22 volts point something. So it is very useful. It is we can we can produce any voltage from that drains to charge any electronic devices such as cell phones or any battery. So as you can see, I will show you the circuit that I used, so you can just follow the schematic diagram. So here's the circuit. Here I am using an lm317 potentiometer. So here's the ATX circuit. So let's try again to adjust the output voltage. You can see just control with the control of the potentiometer. Here we go. So it is very useful to when power any you power any electronic devices. So please subscribe and enjoy. You can do it yourself. Thank you.